Hey, what's up everyone? This video is a simple tutorial I hope you find helpful on the Sam's Club Scan and Go app. If you've never heard about this app before, don't worry. It's basically an app by Sam's Club that allows customers to scan their own items, skip the checkout line, and pay on their smartphones. For example, let's say you forgot to buy some milk after work and you decide to pick up some at your local Sam's Club. When you get there, the line is huge and you need to pick up your kids from soccer practice. So what do? With the Sam's Club Scan and Go app, you can now walk into your Sam's Club store, pick up your milk, scan it on your phone, pay on your phone, and head over to the exit. All you need to do now is show the associate at the exit your QR code and you're free to go. That 30-minute trip now takes 5 minutes thanks to the Sam's Club Scan and Go app. Now this app is available for free on both the Google Play Store and Apple Store. In this video, I'll be installing it on an Android device. So first off, I'll open my Google Play Store app, type in Sam's Club Scan and Go, click on the Sam's Club Scan and Go app, and tap install. Step 2. Setting it up. Once the app is done installing, open the app and you will see a short tutorial on how the app works. Once it's finished, tap on the login button and enter your login information. Once you've logged in for the first time, the app will ask you for your permission to access your location. Tap on the green button that says Allow Location. A list of Sam's Clubs will now show up. Select the Sam's Club that you will be shopping in. Step 3. Scanning your items. To scan an item, tap on the green circle on the bottom of the app with the scanning icon. If this is your first time, allow the app access to your camera. Now you should be ready to scan. Make sure the barcode is easily visible and use the rectangle as a guide. Once the app registers the item, it will show up on your app. If you made a mistake or would like to remove an item, tap on the item and tap on delete. Your total will always be shown on the app while you are shopping, so you can keep track of how much you're spending. Once you have everything you need, make sure and double check that all items in your cart has been scanned in the app. Look inside your cart thoroughly and make sure that you do not forget to scan any items because an associate will check your cart at the exit. When you are done, tap the checkout option on the app. If you do not have a payment method stored, the app will prompt you to add a new form of payment. If you do have a payment method or multiple payment methods stored, choose the payment that you wish to use. Now swipe the bar on the bottom to the right to finalize the transaction. Once you are done, a unique QR code will appear. Walk down to the exit, show the associate your code, who will then scan the code and give you the green light to go. So that's pretty much it. If you would like to view your receipts, you can also click on the menu bar on the app and click on Receipts to view them. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and this app saves you both time and money. Let me know in the comment section what you think or if you have any questions. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and take care.